disconnecting means is indeed required for a residential dishwasher. This requirement is found in the National Electrical Code, specifically in Article 422.37. This section focuses on disconnecting means for dishwashers, stating that dishwashers must be provided with a disconnecting means. Crucially, this disconnecting means must be located within sight of the dishwasher and must be readily accessible. This ensures that in the event of a fault or for maintenance purposes, the power supplied to the dishwasher can be quickly and easily cut off. Now let's talk about the specific clearances and location requirements as outlined in the National Electrical Code. According to NEC 422.37a, a disconnecting means must be located no more than 6 feet, which is 1.83 meters, from the dishwasher. This distance is measured in a straight line from the dishwasher to the disconnecting means. The requirement for ready accessibility is also critical, so the disconnect should not be obstructed by cabinets, appliances, or other items that would make it difficult to reach quickly. Additionally, NEC 110.26c addresses the placement of the disconnecting means relative to bathrooms. It states that the disconnecting means should not be located in a bathroom unless it is accessible from outside the bathroom. This is primarily a safety measure to prevent electrical hazards in damp or wet environments. If the disconnect were inside the bathroom, it would need to be situated so it could be reached without someone needing to be inside the bathroom itself, perhaps through a small access panel or other means. The code also addresses an exception to the single dishwasher rule found in NEC 422.37a. A single disconnecting means can serve a group of dishwashers in a multiple dishwasher installation, such as you might find in a restaurant or commercial kitchen. This exception acknowledges the different contexts in which dishwashers are used and allows for a more practical approach in commercial settings where multiple units are common. This exception does not apply to a regular household kitchen though. It is important to ensure compliance with these NEC requirements, not only for safety reasons but also to meet inspection standards. When installing a dishwasher, the electrician or homeowner should carefully consider the placement of the disconnecting means, ensuring that it meets the distance requirements, is readily accessible, and is not located in a prohibited area like a bathroom. In practice, the disconnecting means is often a switch or circuit breaker located within easy reach of the dishwasher. It must clearly indicate its purpose, so it's easily identifiable as the disconnect for the dishwasher. This labeling is important for safety and maintenance. The 6 foot, or 1.83 meter, distance requirement is measured as the shortest possible distance, a straight line, from the appliance to the disconnect. This measurement should take into account any obstacles or barriers. For example, if the dishwasher is around a corner from where the disconnect is planned, the measurement has to account for going around the corner and cannot be measured through any walls. Also, the disconnecting means should be installed at a height that is easy to reach for most people. It should not be too high or too low, and it should be mounted securely to prevent any accidental disconnections. Remember, the purpose of the disconnecting means is to provide a quick and easy way to cut off power to the dishwasher, either for routine maintenance, repair, or in the event of an electrical fault. This is a critical safety feature that helps to prevent electrical shock and other hazards. Ignoring these requirements can lead to dangerous situations and can also result in code violations. It is always best to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. Furthermore, it is essential to remember that electrical codes can be updated periodically, so it is important to refer to the most current version of the National Electrical Code to ensure compliance. Local jurisdictions may also have their own specific requirements that may be more stringent than the NEC, so it is always a good idea to check with the local authorities. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your dishwasher installation is safe, compliant, and reliable. The disconnecting means is a small but vital component of the overall electrical system, and it plays a critical role in protecting both people and property from electrical hazards. The ready accessibility requirement for the disconnecting means is especially important. This means that the disconnect should not be blocked by any obstacles that would prevent quick access. For example, it should not be behind a stack of boxes, inside a locked cabinet, or in any other location that would make it difficult to reach in an emergency. The disconnect should be in a location where it can be easily seen and reached by anyone who needs to use it. This includes not only the homeowner, but also anyone who might be working on the dishwasher, such as a repair technician. Additionally, the disconnect should be clearly labeled so that it is easy to identify. This labeling should indicate that the disconnect is for the dishwasher and should also include any other relevant information, such as the circuit number or the voltage. The labeling should be durable and easy to read even in low light conditions. In addition to the location and accessibility requirements, it is also important to ensure that the disconnecting means is properly sized for the dishwasher. The disconnect should be rated to handle the maximum current that the dishwasher is likely to draw. This information can be found on the dishwasher's nameplate, which is typically located on the back or side of the appliance. The disconnecting means should also be compatible with the type of wiring used for the dishwasher circuit. For example, if the dishwasher is wired with non-metallic sheath cable, the disconnect should be designed for use with this type of cable. If the dishwasher is wired with conduit, the disconnect should be designed for use with conduit. Finally, it is important to remember that the disconnecting means is just one part of the overall electrical system for the dishwasher. The entire system, including the wiring, circuit breaker, and grounding, must be installed in accordance with the NEC and all other applicable codes and regulations. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in dangerous conditions such as electrical shock, fire, and equipment damage. Therefore, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure that the entire electrical system for your dishwasher is safe, compliant, and reliable. Furthermore, when selecting a disconnecting means, consider the ease of operation. A simple on/off switch or a clearly labeled circuit breaker is preferable. Avoid using complex or confusing devices that may require special tools or knowledge to operate. The goal is to provide a straightforward and reliable way to energize the dishwasher in any situation. It's also worth noting that while the NEC provides minimum standards, exceeding these standards can enhance safety and convenience. For example, installing a dedicated circuit for the dishwasher can reduce the risk of overloading the circuit and tripping the breaker. Similarly, using higher quality wiring and components can improve the overall reliability and longevity of the electrical system. When planning a kitchen renovation or a new construction project, it's wise to consult with an electrical engineer or a certified electrician early in the process. These professionals can provide valuable insights and recommendations on how to design and install an electrical system that meets your specific needs and complies with all applicable codes and regulations. They can also help you choose the right products and materials for your project and ensure that the installation is done safely and correctly. Remember, electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. Always take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and your property from electrical hazards. This includes following all applicable codes and regulations, using qualified professionals, and never attempting to perform electrical work unless you are properly trained and equipped. In addition to the requirements for disconnecting means, the NEC also includes requirements for grounding dishwashers. Grounding is the process of providing a low resistance path for electrical current to flow back to the source in the event of a fault. This helps to protect people from electrical shock and also helps to prevent equipment damage. Dishwashers must be grounded in accordance with the NEC. This typically involves connecting a grounding wire from the dishwasher to a grounding electrode, such as a ground rod or a metal water pipe. The grounding wire must be sized appropriately for the dishwasher circuit and must be installed in accordance with the NEC. It is also important to ensure that the grounding electrode is properly installed and maintained. A poorly installed or maintained grounding electrode can be ineffective and can increase the risk of electrical shock. In addition to grounding, the NEC also includes requirements for overcurrent protection for dishwashers. Overcurrent protection is the process of protecting electrical circuits from excessive current flow. This is typically accomplished by using circuit breakers or fuses. Dishwasher circuits must be protected by circuit breakers or fuses that are sized appropriately for the circuit. The circuit breaker or fuse should be rated to handle the maximum current that the dishwasher is likely to draw. It is also important to ensure that the circuit breaker or fuse is properly installed and maintained. A faulty circuit breaker or fuse can fail to trip in the event of an overcurrent, which can lead to overheating, fire, and equipment damage. The National Electrical Code also has requirements for the type of wiring used for dishwasher circuits. The wiring must be sized appropriately for the circuit and must be suitable for the environment in which it is installed. For example, if the dishwasher is installed in a damp or wet location, the wiring must be moisture resistant. The wiring must also be protected from physical damage. This can be accomplished by using conduit or other protective measures. When selecting wiring for a dishwasher circuit, it is important to consider the ampacity of the wire. Ampacity is the maximum amount of current that a wire can safely carry. The ampacity of the wire must be greater than or equal to the maximum current that the dishwasher is likely to draw. The ampacity of the wire is typically marked in the wire itself. It is also important to consider the voltage rating of the wire. The voltage rating of the wire must be greater than or equal to the voltage of the circuit. The voltage rating of the wire is also typically marked on the wire itself. In addition to the NEC requirements, there may also be local codes and regulations that apply to dishwasher installations. It is important to check with the local authorities to determine what requirements apply in your area. Local codes and regulations may be more stringent than the NEC requirements, so it is important to comply with all applicable codes and regulations. Compliance with electrical codes and regulations is essential for ensuring the safety of people and property. Failure to comply with these requirements can lead to dangerous conditions such as electrical shock, fire, and equipment damage. Therefore, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure that your dishwasher installation is safe, compliant, and reliable. Always use listed or labeled equipment and materials. Listed or labeled equipment and materials have been tested and certified by a recognized testing laboratory to meet safety standards. Using listed or labeled equipment and materials helps to ensure that the installation is safe and compliant. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing a dishwasher. The manufacturer's instructions provide detailed information on how to install the dishwasher safely and correctly. Failure to follow the manufacturer's instructions can lead to dangerous conditions and can void the warranty.